Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making the super easy and creamy roasted pumpkin soup. This recipe is made with simple ingredients and is perfect to enjoy on a cold and breezy fall evening. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is roast the pumpkin. I have here half of a small pumpkin which I have peeled and cleaned. I'm going to set that onto a baking tray and we're going to drizzle this with some olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. The smaller your pumpkin chunks, the faster they're going to roast. Bake these in an oven preheated at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. At 20 minutes, you can go ahead and turn them over. Once baked, let the pumpkin cool down slightly before moving on to the next step. Now we're going to blend the roasted pumpkin with 1 cup of vegetable stock. You can also use water. Now we're going to set that aside, and in a large pot I'm going to heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add some finely chopped garlic and saute that for a minute. Next, add in finely chopped onions and saute that for another 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Remember to click the link in the description box for the full written recipe. Once the onions are nice and translucent, we're going to add in the prepared roasted pumpkin puree. I'm just cooking this for a minute, and next we're going to add in the stock. I'm using chicken stock, but you can also use vegetable stock. Also, I recommend adding just 4 cups of stock at the beginning, and then you can check the consistency and add more if you'd like. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. I've seen other recipes where they also add some other spices like coriander or cumin, but I like to keep it simple so that the roasted pumpkin flavor really comes through. Next, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. If you don't have this, you can skip it. Give it a mix, and now we're going to bring the soup to a boil and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes before serving. And that's it, your roasted pumpkin soup is ready to be served. The best part about this recipe is that it takes so little time to make and is loved by all. All of my recipes are available on my website, thefoodflamingo.com. I'm going to top it off with a swirl of heavy cream and some fresh coriander leaves. And if you want to take the soup to a whole new level, pair it with some crispy garlic bread or even cheese bread. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. Oh, and also I have a whole playlist full of more easy fall recipes that you can try. I'll leave a link in the description box below as well. Thanks for watching!